Welding Booth's A-Series are single-wall booth panels, and it is designed with versatility and ever-changing custom design in mind. The single booth consists of 4 walls, 2 side walls, a back wall, and a front wall. Panels and braces are 14-gauge steel, laser-cut, formed. Tubing is 2-inch by 2-inch x 14-gauge, stitched welded to panels. Booth dimensions are outside 76 inches by 76 inches by 96 inches high, inside 72 inches by 72 inches by 96 inches. Floor-to-wall opening, 14-inch. Door opening, 48-inch. Booths can be installed in rows and back-to-back. They come with a line of additional options such as fume arm system, LED light with custom pit fixtures, welding positioner, and more. Let us help you with your next welding lab project. Please give us a call with any questions